How to build Doctor's Mech. You need big hinges, mech base. We're gonna start from his feet. We're gonna give 1x2 and a flat 1x2. Set it aside. Connect the shins. Build the knees. Attach them. Build the thighs. Add the connecting piece. Add a 2x2 to the mech base. Hey, put me down. Fill in the back with a foot piece at the top. Get a bar piece, a power bank, and a bar piece. Swap a tire around it. Hey, what are you doing? No, don't close that. Attach a few hinge pieces together. Make sure the arm is decorated. Same base arm design. Decorate this arm. Now you have your own mech. No, you idiot. Now everyone will have their own mech. No.